The IQVIA NLP Data Factory automatically surfaces and processes unstructured, structured, and semi-structured textual data at scale. Unlock huge volumes of critical data in a systematic, comprehensive, and reproducible way. The NLP Data Factory is an easily deployable and highly configurable pipeline. By connecting to your source systems, such as electronic medical records, safety, or clinical documents, it automatically extracts the information you need to drive your business forward. The NLP Data Factory's modern, flexible architecture scales to your needs, automates the processing of millions of documents per hour, and returns your data enriched, normalized, and analytics-ready to take the actions you need. Whether deployed on-premise, in cloud, or with a hybrid model, simply select your source data, choose your desired NLP transformations, and decide the destination. Enriched data and metadata becomes immediately available as the factory runs, and once set up, new data feeds will be continuously processed without the need for repeated interaction. Execute our out-of-the-box capabilities, or easily configure your desired workflows and use case applications. Not confined to one data type or niche area, the flexible and robust NLP Data Factory can be used to automatically mine and transform data across multiple applications in healthcare, life sciences, and beyond. With the NLP Data Factory, you can transform efficiency and productivity across your enterprise through reproducible extraction, enrichment, and delivery of critical data. To schedule a demo, contact us at nlp@iqvia.com.